The voice of the podcast was generated by an artificial intelligence. Today, let's go the forecourt of the cathedral. In front, you rise on your right, the Butter Tower, but did you know that this tower had inspired a tower in the United States? Yes, it is the Tribune Tower in Chicago. It is located at 435 Magnificent Mile and is part of a building that houses the offices of the Chicago Tribune newspaper and the CNN television network. Its construction dates from 1925 and its height is 141 meters. With its gargoyle sculptures and flying buttresses reminiscent of flamboyant Gothic, it is one of the most emblematic buildings in the city of Chicago. For the even more unusual side, before the construction of the tower, correspondents of the Chicago Tribune brought back various stones from important historical sites around the world. They have been incorporated into the base of the tower, accompanied by a legend indicating their provenance. There are, among others, stones from the Taj Mahal, the Parthenon, the Palace of Westminster, Notre Dame de Paris Cathedral, the Arc de Triomphe, the Great Wall of China, the Kremlin, the White House, and of course the Butter Tower of Notre Dame de Rouen Cathedral.